Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, March 7th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar at this time. Oh, we have a lot to explore. Remember we talked about how much time is going by. We said that 60 minutes when the clock starts at 12 and goes all the way around is 1 hour. 30 minutes, that could be where the clock has a big hand on the 12, and when it goes to the next time, it's on the 6, is 30 minutes, or what we call half of an hour. We had some changes over the weekend. Let's see what's going on with this card. Oh, we have a digital watch. It has 2:30 on it. So we moved from 2 o'clock on Friday to 2:30. From 2 o'clock to 2:30. How much time actually went by? So if we went from 2 o'clock to 2:30, there was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes that went by, which is equal to half of an hour. Then when we look at 3 o'clock, whoa, we went from 2:30, where the big hand is on the 6, to 3 o'clock on this analog clock. That means we move from 2:30 to 3. Let's count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes of time went by that way. A half an hour. Let's see what's on today's card. Whoa, we moved from 3 o'clock here to 4 o'clock. That's how much time went by. 1 hour. 1 hour. We'll talk about this more in class as well to make sure you're comfortable with it. Let's see what else is on our calendar. Let's talk about our days in school. We have now officially been in class for 111 days. 111 days. Wow. Time is really going by. So we'll change all of this to 111. 111 with the number word. 111 is equal to 11 groups of 10 and one single one. Then we have 100 plus 11. Then we have 11 dimes and 1 penny. All of those will equal 111. Then we will add 1 cube here to make it 100, 110, 111. We're going to explore some more with our number corner. We have quite a few things. Remember, we've been collecting pennies, nickels, and dimes. Let's find out what we will spend today for a brand new week. Zoom in so you can see it carefully. We've landed on 1 dime and 3 pennies. So we'll add that to our collection. 1 dime and 3 pennies. Again, I want to remind you, and I may go over this in class to make sure you understand this. When we talk about dimes, dimes are worth 10 cents. Every single dime is equal to 10 cents. So each time you have, it's worth 10. Each nickel is equal to 5 cents. And each penny is equal to 1 cent. So we want to find out how much we collect throughout this entire week. So far, we have 10, 11, 12, 13 cents for the week. We are now going to move on to our next activity, in which you need to pull out your number corner book. The number corner book, as you look on the screen, has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Once you do find that book, please turn it to page 45. Please pause the video now. As you look for that book, turn the video back on once you have found the book. Very good. We're going to take a little trip and actually discuss this page, because there's some really cool things that we're going to do on page 45. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. It asks us to count the coins. Great practice. This is great practice. And again, here's another reminder. Every dime is worth 10 cents. So every time you see a coin that looks like this, it's worth 10 cents. Every nickel is worth 5 cents, and every penny is worth 1 cent. Here is my advice to you as your teacher. I would like you to help you remember the value of each coin as you are counting. I would like you to put how much it's worth just above it. So if it's a dime, we're going to put 10 right above it for every dime we see. So with this first example, I see, wow, 4 dimes. So I'm going to put 10 cents over each one. Why is that important? It will help me when I am going to count to add all of those coins together. So my math equation becomes 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And let's do that together. What is 10 plus 10, class? 20. Good job. Plus 10. 30. Plus 10 more. 40. And that's where this answer of 40 is actually identified. You are going to continue to do the same thing for each of these coins on the screen. Again, I ask you to guide you through this process. Look at the coin. Look above to say, wow, these 2 coins are the same. So that means every time I see this coin, I will put a 5 above it because nickels are worth 5 cents. I'd like you to continue to do that for this entire page. If you have any questions, please let me know. Off you go.